What I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to take the connections for all of the window buttons and seat button, the tilted for the chair mechanisms and stuff like that. I'm trying to disconnect that. From there, I'm gonna be able to remove the door panel, which is nice. So I can actually get a lot more leverage. Try and reach that lock mechanism, because I have been using WD-40 to hit it and put it in the keyhole, make sure it has been lubricated properly. It hasn't worked so far. I have noticed though that there would be dirt coming with the key, so it would look a little bit black. I'm pretty sure WD-40 is not black. It's starting to get some rain, so we have to wrap this up. And for this mirror adjustment, I think I got two white clips right here. So one's gonna be right here. If you can see that, definitely you can. And the other one's gonna be on the other side of it, right here. You kind of see it a little bit, I'm touching it. Now let's see if I can take this door panel out without any issues. Scraping up the interior, which I doubt. But let's get to it. Watch out for the door handle. Definitely a suggestion, right? Seatbelt gets in the way. Also, the bolstering for your seat gets in the way. I'm kind of pushing up and towards the rear of the car. There we go. The door handle's gonna give you grief, like a lot of grief. Baby, talk to me, baby. Come on. Oh, hey, yo. Come on, man. Alright, so another thing you might want to do is disconnect the connections that the door has. It's looking like there's one in the rear, and I'll update you from there. Just this is the type of light bulb that just kind of goes. You have to make sure it's aligned first and foremost, so it doesn't get jammed. Make sure it's aligned. Then you're gonna want to. It's a twist and then remove type of light bulb. So. Over here. From there, you just get this this padding. It was connected by tape. If you can see this right here. What you're gonna want to do is clip like this. Pull it. And there's another clip over here, connected with a screw, so you're gonna want to unscrew that. Without a doubt, there was somebody messing around with the door, because I'm taking off the dust shield for the lock. It's not even bolted in. The bolt's missing also. So this door has definitely been tampered with before. It was one of my questions, like, did the owner know previously? Did the previous owner know? One of the previous owners knew. So just trying to think what the hell to do right now. So that piece I just dropped, that piece right here, kind of just flew right off. I'm gonna get to it though. So we had a little talk. We already got to put some elbow grease to get this piece out. This is the door guard, pretty much. So best bit right now is just I'm gonna hit it with a penetrating fluid, like a lot of it, because it looks like the lock is jammed and it looks dirty and it looks gross. It looks dry. So I'm gonna hit it with that, hit it with a good one too. Try and open it, close it, lock it, stuff like that. I don't know. The door was jammed because it was just due to neglect. The car door it kind of just like needs to be greased. It needs to be lubricated. I'm gonna go through all the other doors just to do this, just to lubricate them and stuff like that. While this is open, I'm gonna go ahead and I already lubricated the striker, but it would be a good time to make sure your striker's in the right position. Also, to make sure your door is aligned, all the body lines line up. And also, I'm just gonna add some more WD-40 to the locking mechanism because it is bad. They're really bad.